Rosmar Tan kumikita ng 5 to 13 million kada araw sa skincare brand niya?
Kumikita ka daw ng 5M a day.
Pumapalo po minsan ng 13, ganun, 10 to 13 up.
Hello there, I'm Chat De Los Santos, cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath. In her interview with Tony Gonzaga, Rosmar shared na ang skincare brand niya kumikita ng 5 to 13 million a day. Hindi na luck yan, that's pure strategy. Marami kasing entrepreneurs ang iniisip, I'll just hire a manufacturer. Pero kung wala kang alam sa formulation, para mong binigay ang control sa pricing, quality, at safety ng brand mo. When you understand the science behind formulation, you gain leverage. You can choose better ingredients, negotiate fairly, and make sure na effective at safe ang products mo. Knowledge is power. And in this industry, knowledge means profit. Skincare is more than just beauty. It's a business with huge potential income. Kapag pinagsama mo ang passion at formulation skills, hindi ka lang gumagawa ng products. You build a legacy. Kaya kung gusto mong mag-launch ng skincare brand na kumikita at may quality, join my 2-day professional hands-on training limited to only 20 students. Type formulation in the chat so I can send you the details. See you!